Whatever you do, people will always judge you. Whatever you do, people will always criticize you. Whatever you do, people will always question you. Kahit na anong gawin mo, huhusgahan at huhusgahan ka ng ibang tao. Kahit na anong gawin mo, lalaitin at lalaitin ka ng ibang tao. At kahit na anong gawin mo, mabuti o masama, ichichismis at ichichismis ka ng ibang tao. Amen? Their opinion is not your problem. If they have a problem with you, that is not your problem. Amen? What should be your problem? What should be your concern? Ano dapat ang mahalaga para sa iyo? Is to be real. Gawin mo yung para sa iyo mabuti. Amen? Sundan mo ang pangarap mo. Magpakatotoo ka. Kasi nga, mabuti o masama, tama o baluktot,